Infosys COO UP Praveen Rao told investors that his company is on track to meet its revenue guidance for FY15. Rao also said that Infosys is looking at investing in startups to boost the tech capabilities. We've got Chandra Shrikant rather who joins in with all those details. Chandra.
There were a few key points that Infosys CEO Praveen Rao touched upon with investors today. A lot of them wanted to really know if there will be changes to strategy after Vishal Sikka's appointment as CEO. He said that it's too early to really say if there will be any major shifts, and that October would be the time frame when they will really articulate the strategy for Infosys. On the growth front, he said that there is no material change and that they are on track to really achieve that 7 to 9% growth guidance for the year, but pockets of concerns remain in segments such as retail and CPG. Interestingly, on the margins front, he said that they are not fixated on the 30% EBITDA margins, that they just want to have industry-leading margins and that there will be a bias for growth over margins in the near term. He's also said that they are looking at working with startups closely. Remember, they already have a $100 million fund ready for these investments, and that they are talking to venture capitalists to see if they can invest in startups in the future. So I think the broad sense that we are getting is that after Sikka's appointment, the focus is more on tapping into some of these new technologies. The focus is going to be on investments and growth in the near term rather than the fixation on margins.